Those of you that care, it did rain pretty hard today. There's some water on the ground out here. And it's raining right now. And the puppies got moved out of the dirt onto some concrete, but then Mama Alice, can you say hi, Miss Alice? Can you say hello? Who's our good mama? Who's our good mamas? Now she had other plans, and boom, there's my boy Brutus. Who's our good boy Brutus? And here's 3 other pups. I don't know if you can really see it. Oh my goodness. Brutus! Brutus! He's going at it. He's gonna be a big chunker. Ah, Brutus. Ah, big buddy. Yeah, she moved him in the workshop, so. Now, Mama knows best.